Now that you know how to tell if a set of points is quadratic or not, your next step is to write the equation. So I'm going to show you how to do that with a calculator. I'm putting the points that are from the previous graph into my calculator. This is from graph A from the previous video. I've already entered all the points using stat 1. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to press stat and move on to number 5 for quadratic regression. Very similar to your linear and exponential, hit calculate, and it'll identify the A, the B, and the C for you in standard form. And so you can just substitute those for your coefficients. Now let's go to graph B from the previous video. I'm going to go ahead and enter all my points, which I already did. And this is like a neat little tidbit. If you go all the way up, it's going to show you your range. You see that? And then if you want to see your domain, you can go to the L1 and it'll like list all your domains. So helpful tip for your tests. And then what I want to do is I want to go again to number 5, which is your quadratic regression, and hit calculate. It will define your coefficients. And so if you remember, graph B had a negative coefficient because the parabola was facing down. So after you let the calculator do the work, you would just substitute those numbers for the variables. So it would be negative x squared minus 4x.